Hi, my name is David. I'm an RV technician here at RV Wholesalers. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use a GFI tester to check all your receptacles in your unit. Now on this particular tester, it is labeled for you, so there's a nice sticker to show you how it's going to read. Now a correct reading, it shows on the bottom, both lights on the right side are going to light up for us. So if I just take this tool, plug it into our outlet, both lights on the right side are lighting up. That means that it's reading correct, nothing's open, nothing's shorted. So to check your GFIs, it's just as simple as that. You need this tool, plug it in and check them. And if you have any questions for us, you can reach out to us here at RV Wholesalers. Thank you.